As you guys can see from the title, today we crashed out. We're gonna go through the review first, and then we'll talk about what happened. On the weekly, we had a fair value gap here, sell side taken. This is a while ago. We have a bullish bias. We broke out the range on this day, which was news. And I'm looking for these highs now. Because of that, today I was looking for these relative equal highs and this 1 hour gap here unfilled. I was looking for that high to get taken. We never managed to get up to that high, unfortunately. But we have relative colors down here. We have that daily fair value gap here. So today was a Friday. I was expecting it to be possibly a thank God it's Friday sort of event, TGIF. I was expecting some sort of retracement down into that imbalance here. We never got it, right? And or rather, we never got a proper entry on to this area here. I was impulsive today. I don't know what happened, honestly. Just wasn't patient enough, obviously. Relative colors. 9:30 opens here. 8:30 we don't sweep a swing low, so there was no trade in a in this market. We never sweep a swing low. We come up, take out this buy side here first, then we run for the sell side here. We have a shallow run here, still relatively equal lows, sell side is still resting below here. We come lower, we sweep that for real now. Structure shift. We do take out this high before coming to this fair value gap. This should have been my entry. Buy side up here. And that would have been a nice 1 to 2. And that would have aligned with the idea that we're going higher. Taking a partial here, possibly leaving runners to here. But most likely would have been stopped out at break even or in profit. We end up coming lower. In my opinion, I think it's because of the TGIF setup. We only get that though. Let's mark out this. We don't really have any structure saying we're going lower until here. We get a fair value gap, structure shift. We haven't tapped back into that fair value gap yet, so I'm not 100% expecting these relative equal lows this low and these relative equal lows here. But it's definitely possible. I think the PM session may be able to come down to here. I'm not going to be trading the PM session because today I just crashed out. We go to the micro, and you guys can see the executions. The proper executions was this. So the first entry was this fair value gap. This wasn't valid because we had no sweep of sell side. That was valid. Fair value gap, for some reason on the micro, it takes out that swing high. On the mini, we don't take out the swing high. I had the idea that we were using the mini to trade or to analyze, and the micro to trade on. But obviously that was not the case. We come up higher, and yeah, that's basically it. Yeah. This was really, really bad. On the S&P, initially we had the sweep of sell side, still invalid. Why? Because it was never a swing low before 8:30. This was not valid as a sweep of sell side. Therefore, this trade was not valid. We come up this fair value gap. Again, I took another long off of this sell side sweep. Again, not valid. We come lower. We come lower, come lower, come lower. Assuming this is like a what's it called? A sort of distortion, time distortion. I'm not sure. Maybe not actually. We'll go to NQ. NQ was definitely the clearer asset. Relative equal lows compared to this slop. And here, this was a long that I took. Sort of the same entry of this, except that on ES, we had that structure shift. After, we came up, 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 and yeah, I just gambled here. After again, stopped out here in a little bit less of a loss, but still stopped. Still lost money, and then we just yeah. This is the first time I've ever actually traded like this. Never really thought I would do this, but this was just straight up gambling. And somehow, luckily enough, it somehow removed the loss that I had, and we're only down 116 for the day. Yeah, just really, it's really bad. The mental is really bad, and it's just overall not great. Go to the Discord here. Posted that I'd only focus on 2022 reviews now, and I won't be live trading for next week. I'll do a market review at the end of the day, but I won't be live trading next week. Also try and backtest a little bit more, just to test if whether it's my theory or my psychology. I'm pretty sure it's my psychology, but we're gonna do this anyway. And lastly, go through the notes and watch the rest of the 2022 market reviews. Bro, I know I can do this, bro, but for some reason these past few days, bro, it's just been so, oh my god, what terrible. It's been difficult, bro. So I was gonna do like a face to face sort of thing, but bro, I'm not looking the best right now, I would say. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that market review, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.